$5. Very expensive.
$5  30 reals.
$10, 2 pieces. So after washing it, you cut the end.
You still can't see the.
You can still see the bottom. Okay, now you can see the seeds like the kiwi. Now you cut it. Oh, very nice.
And then
You cut it, remove the outer cover.
like that.
Okay.
Tintin, you should see this one, huh?
You should try this if you have money only. Okay. And cut it into pieces. You will see how good this very expensive fruit.
Try mo dali.
Now, it's good to give it a try, Mommy.
Tama. Super tabang. Hindi masarap? Hindi siya sweet. No?
Not so sweet. Nothing special.
Yeah, masarap yung kiwi.
But good to try. At least we can compare with other
Fruit.
fruit. The dragon fruit. Where is the other one, Mommy? Where is the other one, please? So, this is the original $5 per piece, one piece of the dragon fruit. And this is the ready to eat one.